Hey guys, well, it's the Higgy crew here, and today we are going to be breaking down one of these high wall tow behinds with my wife Natalie.
Okay, let's watch me do it.
If she can do it, anyone can, I promise you.
That's very true.
But then the towability behind this, super easy. You can kind of get it behind anything, and we'll kind of leave a description on weight and everything also in the side.
So, and when I'm cooking, like, I can use this counter space. I can even use this right here. That's a good counter space, and this as well. So I have plenty of counter space to do what I need to do. This is almost finished. There is so much room here for just this little tiny camper. And look at this.